Hello guys, welcome you once again to my channel, the profitable channel, Billionaire Mindset FX, where we teach you how to trade successfully in your life, step by step. Okay, if you come to this channel, you should know that you are going home with something. You're going home with something helpful. We don't produce entertaining videos here, but we produce educative videos. So when you come to this channel, you are not looking for any entertainment, you are looking for useful information for your trading life. Okay, so not wasting much of your time, guys. If this is your first time to be on this channel, just subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time I post a new video like this, you're gonna be the first person to be notified. Okay, let's go to the topic. Straight to the topic, bro. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, this is what we call a double top pattern. So today I'm going to teach you about the double top pattern, how to identify a double top pattern and how to trade on a double top pattern, where to enter and where to exit. Okay, so guys, as you can see the chart here, this good double top pattern. So I'm going to make a series of these videos where I'm going to start with the double top like this. Then I'm going to teach you, I'm going to make another video teaching you how to trade on a double bottom, and I'm going to teach you how to trade on a triple bottom, a triple top, and also trend lines, the support and resistance, the price action. I'm going to teach you all those things. So I'm going to put these videos in series so that you're going to learn them each step by step. Okay, so let me get a blank page. So we just gonna start from scratch. Okay, we gonna start from scratch, man. Yeah, from scratch, man. Okay, so this is what we have. So we have the market moving like this. This is what we call an uptrend. As the market is moving like this in an uptrend, you see what's going on here. This is what we call an uptrend. Why? Because we are having these higher highs, higher lows, higher highs touching the higher low. As you can see here, we have, this is the higher high, then there is a break of structure forming another higher high. There comes this low is higher than the previous low. Then we have the higher that is higher than the previous higher. So this is what we call an uptrend. Okay, this is what we call an uptrend. The market is moving upwards, forming higher highs. How do you identify an uptrend? It's when you see the market forming higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so now today we are not talking about uptrends or whatever, but we are talking about the double top pattern. This is a double top pattern, right? So how do we identify a double top pattern? Look at this. So as we have identified our trend, it's an uptrend. As we are moving, you see the market is forming higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Then we come to this area here. As you can see there, it's something, if you have noticed, our trend came here, formed a higher high, and it formed a higher low. As it moved up, it didn't manage to break out of this resistance level, forming another high here that is equal to the previous high. I don't know if you get what I'm saying here. You see, these highs are on the same level, meaning they have been rejected on this resistance zone. So that's where we begin to see our double top pattern. So here we have 1, the first touch, and 2, you have the second touch. Then here we have what we call the neck. The neck. So the neck is the low that was formed here. The neck. So this is the neckline. The neckline. We have the neckline here. This is our neckline. Our neckline. So this means when our trend came here, our price came here, made a higher low here, and went back and touched the resistance level, it came back. And how do we identify that this is a valid double top? It's when this second leg comes and crosses our neckline, and goes down. That's where we have to make your entry, a sell entry here. So a double top pattern gives us a sell entry, sell opportunity. So we only sell when we have seen, and it also only becomes a valid double top pattern when this price moves and breaks the neckline here. I will repeat that. You only sell when you have seen that the price have broken the neckline, forming what we call a change of character. So a double top pattern is made when we have an uptrend and now it's changing into a downtrend. That's where we find our double top pattern being formed. I hope you get what I'm saying. So usually, as to me, I enter when I see that the trend has broken the neckline and made a retest. Then I enter my trade after the retest. You get what I'm saying here? So we've been having the break of structures here, break of structure here, break of structure here, break of structure here. What do we mean by break of structure? Is when the high is higher than the previous high, there's a break of structure. So we have been having break of structures because it was an uptrend, and now we have a change of character here because it's now the low is gone beyond the previous low. Okay, so that's what we call a double top pattern. Let me see if we have one in the charts. Oh, let me see. Do we have? Yes, this one. And as you can see, this one is already marked here. I marked this one. I marked this one because I think I took a trade on this one. Yes. As you can see here, we have the resistance level as the price was going up like this, and now it has formed a double top on top there, and you have made two touches, one touch and two touches, and it has broken here. It has broken the neckline, and there was a retest. There was a retest here. So after the retest, you can see it's going all the way down. That's easy, guys. It's just as easy as that. As you can see, it's just as easy as that. So how do you enter your trade? We see you enter after a retest here. When the neckline is broken, then there's a retest. You enter here for a secure trade. Then how do you exit the market? You measure from here, from the top to the neckline. Then after that, you measure here. You measure here, and this same measure is the same measure that you are going to put from where you enter your trade to your TP. As easy as that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have learned a lot on this video. So watch the next video where I'm going to be teaching you on the double bottom. So this was the double top pattern. That is very easy as that. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new on this channel, and also don't forget to like this video, guys. Share this video to others so that people can learn, so that others can learn. And if you want to join our WhatsApp, just comment in the comment section, then I'm going to give you the WhatsApp link. Thank you so much.